everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will illustrate the festival, or we can say the season of new beginnings. Beginning of new hope, new joy and new sunrise. It's New Year painting today. So to see this beautiful drawing and to know the stories about it, you must watch our video till the end. It's New Year time. Friends, it's been a long time now we are doing this World Tour series, and we have traveled through so many countries, people, cultures, their lives, how they live. And of course, all these happen virtually through colors and canvas. But there are times when the mind is not confined to any one special country. At certain time of the year, people from all over the world kind of become like one people from one country. And it seems more during the festival times. And needless to say, now is the time. So after Christmas with Santa, that day of the year comes which we all wait for. It's New Year time. New beginnings with new hope, and all the peace and love for everybody is all we hope for. And we will deliver this message through our way. Paintings and stories. From an artist to all aesthetes. Can't wait now, just want to start over this. Let's begin. When we were thinking about this painting, we only hoped that this would be the best way to share our thoughts to you on this new year. So we have drawn street murals many times before also here in our channel, but this one is really special as it is not from any one such country, one special country, but it represents the whole world. Whole human race. We are collecting moments and spreading it through colors to everyone. That is what we want. And the change starts here. I hope you like this street mural of New Year, which I can only hope I could have painted on a real street walls, On this new sunrise, New Year it is. I hope you've got the whisper of the clues. Friends, needless to say that New Year, we all know, is the day at which a new calendar year begins, and the calendar's year count in increments by one. Many cultures celebrate the event in some manner. In the Gregorian calendar, which is the most widely used calendar system today, New Year occurs on January 1st. This was also the first day of the year in the original Julian calendar and the Roman calendar after 153 BC. So during the medieval period in Western Europe, when the Julian calendar was still in use that time, authorities moved New Year's Day to one from another, including March 1, March 25th, Easter September 1, December 25th, like this way. Since then, many national civic calendars in the Western world and beyond have changed to using one fixed date for New Year's Day, that was January 1st. Most doing so when they adopted the Gregorian calendar. Civilizations around the world have been celebrating the beginning of each new year for decades. The city of Babylon in ancient Mesopotamia was where the first New Year's celebration took place about 4,000 years ago. New Year's Day is considered to have a Romanian origin. The New Year is celebrated first in Oceania, and the event is first celebrated on the small Pacific island nations of Tonga, Samoa and Kiribati, as kind of their time zone is the arrives first time zone on in the all over the world. That's why New Zealand follows next in celebrating the New Year, followed by Australia, Japan, South Korea, while the last place to celebrate New Year is Baker's Island, which lies in the Central Pacific Ocean. In North America, usually ring the New Year. The people there ring the New Year by gathering with the family, friends, or for parties, or even special meals and spectacular firework displays. In Greece, a gold or silver coin is baked into a cake called a vasilopita. The person who receives the piece of cake with the coin inside it said to have the luck the rest of the year. In Spain, they eat 12 grapes at midnight on New Year's Eve to bring 12 months of happiness. In Bolivia, families often hang small homemade dolls outside their homes for good luck. Over in Japan, at midnight on New Year's Eve, bells and gongs sound to banish bad spirits, to leave the old year behind and welcome the new one. The Dutch make bonfires in the street using Christmas tree. Portuguese children go from home to home and sing songs for neighbors. They may receive sweets and coins in return also. And last but not the least, people in all parts of the India dress colorfully and indulge in fun-filled activities such as singing, playing, dancing, attending parties like gatherings. Nightclubs, movie theaters, resorts, restaurants, amusement parks are filled with people of all ages. They greet and wish each other Happy New Year. So like one day, so many different cultures to celebrate in so many different ways. So like one canvas with so many colors on it. Friends, it was Roman dictator Julius Caesar who reformed the calendar soon after coming to power in the last 1st century BCE. The date was chosen to honor the Roman god of beginnings, Janus, who is believed to have two faces, one looking back into the past and the other to the future. The year coming to an end now, but wow, 2021 has been another tough one. Most of us are probably looking forward to starting a whole new year. Due to COVID-19, things may look and feel a bit different. Instead of heading to parties or visiting friends and relatives, we will likely be staying at home and celebrating with family. So let's hope 2022 will bring rays of sunshine. And our World Tour series and celebrating all the festivals will continue. We will continue to search this happiness and joy just to share with you all only. Let this be one family. Let's color and paint the life with Imagination Gallery. hope you liked and enjoyed today's celebration of Happy New Year with us. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session and do not hesitate to write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for giving us this opportunity to do what we love to do. Happy New Year from the team. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Happy holidays.